The word we're learning today is 全球化, which means globalization. As we all know, 全球化 has been taking place for a long time. It refers to the interconnectedness and interdependence of countries, economies, and cultures across the world. Economic globalization, or 经济全球化 in particular, refers to the increasing integration and interdependence of national economies as a result of growing movement of goods, services, capital, and technology across borders. 经济全球化是时代潮流. Economic globalization is the trend of the times. Though countercurrents exist at times, no one can stop a river from flowing, just like economic globalization, which will not veer off the course completely. To follow the trend, we need to stay open-minded and embrace changes to fully unleash the vitality of the world economy. 推动经济全球化朝着更加开放、包容、普惠、平衡、共赢的方向发展。Make economic globalization more open, inclusive, balanced, and beneficial for all. The third International Consumer Products Expo just opened on the country's resort island of Hainan. The exhibition area of the Expo covers 120,000 square meters, and over 3,100 brands from 65 countries and regions have attended the Expo. It serves as a display and trading platform for high-quality consumer goods from across the world and shows China's willingness to share its massive market opportunities with the world, which plays an important role in the process of economic globalization. Globalization, 全球化，你学会了吗？